So today we're unboxing the Ozone Direct Plug-in Ozone Generator, a great little tool for destroying odours. It's proudly manufactured in the UK from quality components, built to a much higher standard than the cheap Chinese versions that you'll see around, which are nowhere near as reliable. They'll often break 5 minutes after you've bought them, or worse still, they can produce dangerous levels of ozone, putting your health at risk. The Ozone Direct Plug-in is a quality item that's fully certified, meeting British standards, so you can buy with complete confidence. It puts out 7 milligrams of ozone, which is just the right level for running inside small to medium sized rooms. It kills mould and bacteria as well as smells, so it also makes a useful weapon against rot and mildew and other pathogen issues. Ozone generators are not designed to replace your fan and filter, but they'll boost their effectiveness, giving you extra peace of mind. And if you ever find yourself in a situation where you need to clear out smells in a hurry, the plug-in will have a room smelling fresh in minutes. It comes with a built-in fan to propel ozone into the room, allowing it to cover a larger area than many of the cheaper versions. And using it is about as easy as it gets. Just plug it into the wall and press the middle button. Once it's glowing blue, you'll know it's working. It's that simple. To learn more about the Ozone Direct plug-in or about using ozone safely, visit our website or come and see us in store.